Hey, it's Jason at FireplaceBlowersOnline.com. I want to do a quick product overview of our EP62-1 kit. So this is primarily used on legged and pedestal models from Napoleon and Continental. And Napoleon and Continental are Wolf Steel products. And a few differences we want to point out with our kit versus some of the cheaper alternatives that you're going to find out there, and even the more expensive OEM kits. So we're pretty proud of this kit. Everything is hand built and assembled here in Racine, Wisconsin. And let's start with the blower. The blower itself is 100% ball bearing. That means both bearings in the motor and even the end cap bearing. It's tough to see there. It's behind that red rubber grommet. All sealed ball bearings. The cheaper ones you're going to find are using brass sleeve bearings in the motor and brass sleeve bearings on that outer wheel. In some cases, some of the even less expensive models will actually use like a nylon bushing. So they're using a plastic bearing in there, which wear out pretty quickly and prematurely. The other thing is too, is we're using a very heavy duty 14 gauge galvanized bracket. You can kind of see that here. So the bracket assembly itself is galvanized to prevent rusting. We add a top support brace. So that chassis support brace helps prolong bearing life. It gives a little rigidity, some extra rigidity to the chassis of the blower. And again, that's just to make sure there's no flex or movement in the chassis. Prolongs bearing life. Again, galvanized. Another important thing to point out is the mounting bracket. In a lot of the lesser expensive kits that you're going to find, that mounting bracket's not there. And so that's imperative to be able to mount to any of the model of stoves this is compatible with. So that bracket absolutely has to be included. So we definitely include that for you. There are 6 mounting screws, and you'll see, we'll go over this. I'll have Jim step here in a second, but the top 3 holes here are for mounting the actual mounting bracket to the blower. We'll show you how that's done. And the 3 that are in the triangular pattern here are mounting for your stove. So you'll see a similar bolt pattern, a screw pattern on the back of your stove for mounting it. And yeah, Jim, why don't you step in here real quick. We'll actually rotate this up. We'll actually show you kind of, so the blower is kind of installed to the back of the stove like this. You're going to actually see that the 3 mounting holes on the bottom. So you're just going to use 3 of those screws to mount that mounting bracket to the actual blower assembly. And then what you're going to be left with is those 3 holes. Those 3 holes will line up to the ones on the back of your stove, and you've essentially have completed the installation. So a couple other things we'll point out here too is we're using, it's wired to a 3-prong grounded power cord. It's a 3-foot cord, and it's got a variable speed controller on here. So these are designed to be run manually. So the speed controller has an on and off position. If I can do this, that's in the off position. And as you turn it, it starts in high, and you can kind of rotate it the other way to turn it down. But you'll have infinite variable speed control of these blowers. These are very quiet. They make about 110 to 115 CFM of airflow and are very quiet. So again, we're doing a lot of this at a price point that's obviously more expensive, again, than some of the cheaper models, but also at a price point that's not as expensive as the more expensive OEM kits. So very great alternatives if you've got one of these Continental or Napoleon legged or pedestal stoves. These will drastically improve the heat distribution of those stoves. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 262-989-4882. Or you can email us at support@fireplaceblowersonline.com. All right, thanks again, everybody. Take care.